yes, I decided to change my intro. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I did this like reddy orangey smoky eye with an ombre lip. Disclaimer, this is all for fun. I love playing with makeup and I'm not going to be wearing this out. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, and if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. I'm going to tie my hair up first because, yeah. My mom's on my bed right now.
Sup?
So, you know, if you hear like someone, it's probably her. Cool. Next, I'm going to moisturize with this Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar. This is a refreshing and refining moisturizer. I put it on my neck too. I just filmed a Q&A and I posted it today already, so if you want to see it, the link will be either up there or there. I honestly don't know what side it is. Next, we're going to prime with the e.l.f. Hydrating Luminous Bare Primer. I might be wrong about the name, but all products are listed down below. This is my second video filming today, and I think I'm going to film one more video after this. Usually I do not do anything for my brows, but today I'm just going to brush them out with this little spoolie. And this is just to make sure all of the hairs are just pointing to one side. Now let's move on to the eyes. Should I zoom you guys in? Maybe just a little. That's good. Today I'm using the Modern Renaissance from Anastasia. I got this like maybe a week ago. The shadows are so pigmented and creamy. It speaks for itself. It's amazing. The only thing I don't like about it is the packaging. It's beautiful, but if you can see, it's kind of like felt, like the material's felt. So it's really easy to get it dirty, which is pretty sad because I want to keep it really clean. Okay, anyways, first for my transition shade, I'm going to be using Burnt Orange and Raw Sienna. And I'm just going to be using this MAC blending brush. I don't know what number it is. I forgot to prime my eyes, whoops. You can use an eye primer, but I'm just going to be using concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me. And just blend it out. Now I'm going to be taking the two colors and put that in my crease as my transition shade. I actually want to put this pretty high too, because we are going to be adding some more eyeshadows in the crease. I don't know if you guys can hear, but my mom's typing. Orangey brown combination, and I like it. For some reason, every time I do makeup and I do my eyeshadow, my right is always better than my left, so I apologize about that, but I'm still practicing. Like, it just doesn't look even, which bothers me because I'm a perfectionist. But yeah, in conclusion, I need to practice more. How's it look? Moving on to the next color, I'm going to still be using this MAC brush. I'm going to take Real Gar, I think that's how you say it. I'm sorry if I said it wrong, but I'm just gonna put that in my crease as well. The palette also comes with a mirror, so if you're ever doing your makeup on the go, you have that mirror. I'm just gonna put it a little bit lower than the transition shade. And this is kind of like an orangey red type of color. Like, it's so pretty. I honestly don't know what I'm doing for this look yet, like honestly, but I just know that there's not going to be a lot of steps. And don't worry if like that happens, because I'm just going to clean it up when I do my foundation and concealer, so don't worry about that. I'm just going to take this Morphe M504 brush and just blend it. There's nothing on the brush. I'm just going to be blending my eyeshadow. I love this brush so much. It's so fluffy. We have like a nice orangey look right now. Love Letter, this pinky, and then Venetian Red. Mom, how do you pronounce this? Wenetian.
You lost me at we.
There's no we. Okay. V-E.
V, I think you said W.
Yeah, I know, I did. Sorry. Okay, Venetian.
Whoa. So there's no W?
No.
Venetian.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, I'm taking Love Letter and Venetian Red, and they're both like in the same pink world, I guess. I don't know, but I'm just gonna mix those.
Shmuel.
What?
Like Shmuel.
Wait, I don't get it.
Remember your shirt color? I was like, get your pink shirt, and you're like, the color is Shmuel.
It's not Shmuel, it's mauve.
Yeah, that one.
How did you get Shamil? Anyways, I'm going to put that in my outer corner. I don't know what she's talking about, but I was talking about mauve.
Who says that?
A bunch of people, actually.
Really? Oh, what color's your shirt?
Mauve.
Mauve.
My mom doesn't believe in the color mauve, guys. It's a real color, guys.
No,
If you don't,
it says it.
yeah, they do.
I'm gonna look at it.
Okay.
It's
Haha.
more purple.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
You just wanted to say mauve.
No.
No.
Now I'm going to take red or Mom, how do you say this?
Ochre.
Oh! Why does this palette have so many hard names? Red ochre and this Morphe M412 brush. And I'm just gonna put this on my lid. Usually I would not put a dark color on my lid, but I'm trying to go for different looks.
I bought crab.
Yeah. I don't know. It's kind of like a smoky eye. Featuring the abbreviations feet. I'm just gonna go back in with the transition shades one more time and just like go in my crease. Yay, we're done with the eyeshadow. Maybe like a reddish orange smoky eye. I don't know.
It looks like a mauve color.
No, Mom. Moving on. I'm using this Shiseido eyelash curler.
Oh, I can't laugh now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and then after I'm done with my face, I'll also put like a color down here too. So, yeah. For mascara, I'm using my Benefit They're Real, my fave. I'm just gonna put that on my lashes. We are now done with the eyes. Let's move on to the face. For foundation, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Fun fact, me and my mom are like big fans of MAC.
Totally fun fact.
We have like a lot of like back to MAC stuff. Basically, if you don't know what that is, it's like if you have 6 used up products from MAC, you can like turn them in to get like a free eyeshadow or a free lipstick. We have like 4 sets of 6, but like every time we go to the mall, we always forget the bag that we put the thing in. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Oh, have you guys been liking the new thumbnails? I learned how to do them and I'm really liking them.
When you ask a question, who do you expect like to answer like in the
comments?
Oh. Tell them to follow my account too.
What's your
I
account?
don't have one too.
Okay, well her Instagram's lindalaeno. Aren't you private?
Yeah.
There's always something wrong with my makeup tutorials.
Like her face?
Yeah. Like in my first one, like the soft matte brown one, I was like really pale.
I was joking.
I know, but it's true. And then in my Valentine's one, I had mascara on my lid. So I'm trying to make this one like
Why don't you
perfect.
fix your face before you do like the final?
Yeah, see, I don't know why I don't do that. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm like almost out, so that's why I'm using it. I want to finish it. Next, I'm going to set my under eyes with the Coty Air Spun. If you do this step, you want to put this powder wherever you put your concealer. I only put my concealer under my eyes, but if you put it like down your nose, your forehead, your chin, you should also put this powder in those places as well. This is the Morphe Y11 brush. I love using this for my under eyes because it's just like the perfect shape. And I'm just gonna set my face, or my under eyes, sorry. I usually go like this, guys, like do the rim first because there's like always powder on the rim for some reason.
Did you eat a slice of pizza?
Yeah, I had 2.
Whoa.
I'm going to use this MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm also almost done with this one too. I'm trying to use up some of my product so I can get new product. You gain, you lose type of situation. You feel me, Mom?
I wasn't listening. I was looking at this picture of somebody making crabs.
I'm going to go get my mom's bronzer because I want to use hers. I'll be right back. I got my mom's bronzer and she uses the MAC bronzing powder in bronze. It has some like glitters to it, but in my opinion, it just like gives you a nice sheen and it's not even that shimmery, so that's why I like using it. The brush I like using for contouring or like bronzing, I guess, is the e.l.f. small tapered brush. It looks like this. Oh, guess what, guys? My mom said I can keep her bronzer. So I'm just gonna bronze up my face. And then I'm also gonna get my temples. If you want to do your nose, you can, but I don't really like do it, so Yeah. It doesn't fit in my drawer though. I'll find a place for it. This is the 9B blush palette, and I'm gonna use this one. And then I'm using the Morphe E4 brush. But like, it's just so natural and pretty. Morphe DD palette. I like to use this shade, Little Lalique blusher brush, even though it's for blush, like, it's so small for blush though. I'm gonna use it for highlighter. It's so pretty. And then I like it because like you can apply it and then you can like kind of blend it into your skin. And we are snatched. No, I'm just kidding. Put it on the top of my eyebrows. Oh, I put a lot. I like putting it on my brow bone. Before I forget, I'm going to put some eyeshadow on my waterline, or my lower lash line. I don't know what it's called. Morphe M431 brush, Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange, and Real Gar, like the first 3 shades I used. And I think that will give a nice color. Yay! Now we're on to the lip. Kind of want to try for a ombre lip, but I think the colors I want to use are the Kylie lip kit in Dolce, and then this Morphe liquid lip in Brunch. I'm going to line my lips with the lip liner from Kylie. I'm going to just like put the Kylie out on like the outside. They're getting bigger. They might not be even, but it's fine. Okay, I think it's pretty dry. So now I'm just gonna go with the Morphe liquid lip and just put that in like the center, or like not the center, but like the inside of my lip. Oh my gosh, I kind of did it. Okay, it doesn't look the best, but I mean, hey, it's my first time. I'm gonna pass you guys to my outro. Oh wait, shoot! In my Valentine's Day look, I forgot to spray myself with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. And I almost forgot today. But the reason why I do forget this step is because I'm not wearing this makeup like out. I don't like need it to stay in place for that long, so that's why I forget. But I mean, it's still very refreshing. I like to do it when I even don't have makeup on. It smells amazing. Now I'm going to pass you guys to my outro. That was all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below any other makeup tutorials you guys would like me to do. Love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah. Weird. Oh no. Oh. So no. What step is next? Oh yeah, blush. Morphe 9B blush palette.